Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Aizawl at the moment. The visuals that are coming in. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also.
Because of the Himalayan mountains and the deep valleys. In fact, one bridge in Mizoram is taller than Qutub Minar in Delhi. This line will now connect Mizoram with Guwahati, Kolkata and Delhi and many other destinations. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will start 3 new trains. First, Rajdhani Express to New Delhi. Second, Mizoram Express to Guwahati.
My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us from the spot. He's in Aizawl in Mizoram. Piyush, very, very important. Connectivity will get a big boost. We are just hearing the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav speaking about the fact that 3 new trains, they will start now and they will make sure that the northeastern part of our country is very well connected with the rest of the country. Can you hear me, Piyush?
And we are also starting cargo operations within this week. Cost of cement will reduce. Cost of steel will reduce. Time taken to bring the daily household items will significantly reduce. What used to take days will now be done in hours. And above all, we are also starting one refrigerated coach. The beautiful turmeric, the beautiful ginger and the very, very unique fruits of Mizoram will now find new markets. Friends, all this was possible.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting the northeastern states. At the moment, he's in Mizoram. This is Aizawl in Mizoram. Prime Minister Modi will be flagging off 3 new trains.
Now allow me to call on the Honorable...
My colleague Piyush is joining us from Aizawl in Mizoram. Piyush, connectivity will get a big boost now. We just heard the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav mentioning that 3 new trains will start. One of them will be the Rajdhani Express. Cargo trains will also start.
Well, yes, 3 new trains are connecting Aizawl with New Delhi, Kolkata and Guwahati, will be inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi as he has landed in Delhi, and it is going to provide a huge boost to economy and tourism sector here in the state. Right now I'm present at Aizawl railway station, and let me try to show you the visuals of this very train which is all set to be inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. This is the Rajdhani train, and here it is written also flagging off train number 02057 Sairanga station on 13th September 2025. This is Rajdhani Inaugural Express, which is all set to be inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi in a short while from now. We also have EDIP Railway Board, Mr. Dilip Kumar. Let me understand from him, sir, how is it going to be beneficial for the people of Mizoram?
This project is very crucial. Now Mizoram is getting connected with the entire railway network of our country, and so now train movement can happen anywhere in the country, and we are going to start 3 new trains today. So the people of Mizoram can go to Guwahati, and there will be a daily Mizoram Express from Aizawl to Guwahati, and then there is a tri-weekly express train to Kolkata from this place. And then obviously this beautiful Rajdhani Express will connect Aizawl to our Delhi. So definitely all these three trains and the other services which we will be introducing later on will benefit the people. Their movement will be easy. The travel time will reduce by half. The movement of the freight items will be easy. We will be introducing some freight trains also. We are having very good products in this area, which can be sent to the other markets of our country.
So that's right. This is what Aishwarya Dilip Kumar is highlighting, who is the Railway Board EDIP, as to how the connectivity will become very easy for the people of Mizoram. But on my left hand side, you can also see as to how the preparations are taking place. People from different parts of Mizoram have come here in large number, and they are sitting there, under a shed, because a couple of minutes back it was raining also. But yes, people have come here
Right.
to take part in the inaugural function, which is also to take place from today. So if you talk about this connectivity, Aishwarya, for the very first time, the capital city of Mizoram has been connected with India's vast railway network. In the last 1 decade, we have seen as to how a lot of efforts were put in by the government to construct a railway line between Sairang and Bairabi. Bairabi is the last station of Assam, which comes under the Mizoram's border area, Assam-Mizoram border area. And till now, there was, if one has to travel to Mizoram, the people had to, deboard at the Bairabi railway station. And now, when there is a connectivity, people can go to Bairabi, and then from Bairabi to Guwahati and to New Delhi. So it's a great connectivity which has now been provided, and this railway, line.
Right,
which has
Piyush.
been,